An independent investigation by Deloitte into an alleged fraud at the Dunedin City Council has been completed and passed to the police. The investigation centres on the sale of 152 vehicles from the DCC's vehicle fleet, for which the council did not receive any money. DCC Chief Executive Officer Dr Sue Bidrow says the alleged fraud totals more than $1.5 million.
We're changing things here at the DCC, and as part of making those changes we've discovered a decade-long alleged fraud. What this shows is that the changes, they're working, and also that the changes are long overdue.
We tasked Sue and previous Chief Executive Paul Orders with reviewing DCC practices with a view to fixing any issues or problems as part of our accountability to ratepayers. Paul started with the companies, and he had a tremendous impact in terms of oversight and governance. Now, Sue and her staff are having the same impact within the DCC.
We have committed to keeping residents and ratepayers informed about what's going on here, but at this point my priority has to be both in assisting the police to hold people accountable for their actions and also potentially to help recover some ratepayer money.